Hi friends, this is John Kingston from JR Trading Zone. In this video, I am going to explain about call options and put options. Only buying call options and put options. You all know from the option table we studied, there are two types of options. One is the call option and the other one is the put option. There are two types of traders. One, the option buyers, then the other one is the option sellers. Okay. The most difficult trading and the most difficult skill to acquire is option buying. No doubt about it. People have acquired the skill practicing after 10 years. They have succeeded after 12 years, 15 years. Option selling is comparatively what we can say, it does not require that much skill as option buying. Therefore, the most difficult trading and the most profitable trading is option buying. The most important thing we have to understand about option buying and option selling is totally different, and totally they have to acquire a different mindset to do both. Yes guys, let's go to the option chain. Option chain for the week 27 July 2023. Okay, now the current at the money strike is 19,250. That is the current at the money strike. Call option buyer makes money only when the market goes on the upward direction. A put option buyer makes money only when the market falls. Now let's try with an option 250 point up. This is a call option, you see. Call option 19,500, costs 94 rupee 85 paisa. Okay, lot size is 50, you all know. We are going to buy this option 19,500. You are having a prediction that the market will go above 19,500. Okay, so you are going to buy this option. Okay, let's go and see the payoff. Now see, when you are going to make money, only when the market is going above 19,595. 95 rupees you have paid the premium. Now the market, you have choose the 19,500 strike and already you have paid 95,000 as premium. So you are making money only when the market is going above 19,595. If the market is not going above that area, you are going to lose the entire premium. Okay, after 19,595, you can make unlimited profit if the market travels like this. Okay, you can make unlimited profit, but what is your risk? The risk is your premium. You are paying the premium 4,742. This is your risk. If the market is not going beyond this area, you are going to lose this premium. Okay, let's go on the put option side. Okay, now the market is 19,250. When the put option buyer is going to make money? Only when the market is falling, put option buyer will make money. Now you are having a prediction that market will fall below 19,250 points here. At this point, you are paying a premium of 113. Now you are buying put option. Okay, yes. Now see the payoff. When you are going to make money, the probability is only 30%. Always the probability of an option buyer is very less. Okay, here the probability is 30%. Maximum profit undefined. It can be any number. Okay, maximum loss is the premium you are paying, that is 5,680. Okay, you are paying the premium of 5,680, that is 113 into lot size 50. Okay, 5,680. Now you see in this graph where you are going to make money. Here, if the market is moving upwards, you are going to lose the premium. If the market is going beyond this range, that is, what is your break even? 18,886. Okay, 18,886. After this, if the market is falling, you are going to make undefined money. This is how a put option buyer makes money. Okay, now I will say how this option contracts are working. In this video also I am going to use the same example which I have told in many of my videos. I am having a land in a particular area, a residential land, and it costs 1 crore rupee. Okay, the neighboring land is a government property, and the government is supposed to bring a project, a medical college or a dump yard in that area. But no one knows whether it is a medical college or it is a dump yard. Some people think medical college will come at the particular area. If medical college is being set up in the area, definitely the property, the value of my property will go several times on the upside. Sometimes it may go 10x, 20x or even 50x on the upside. If a dump yard is set up in that particular area, definitely the value of my property will fall. Okay, those buyers who are coming to me, consider that you are a buyer in this situation. Okay, you are coming to me and you are not going to take a risk. You are just paying an advance of 1 lakh rupee, or you are paying an advance of 1 lakh rupee. You are not sure whether the market is going up or going down, whether the property value of the property is going up or going down, whether medical college is going to set up or dump yard is going to be set up in the particular area. You are not sure, so you are just paying a token for me, 1 lakh rupees. Yes, I am also agreeing, I am accepting the token. Okay, if the medical college is going to be set up there after 1 month, definitely you will come to me and you will exercise the contract, because the value of the land has gone to 10x and even more. Okay, if a dump yard is coming in the same place after 1 month, will you come and exercise the same project? Never. You won't come and go forward with the contract, because even if losing 1 lakh is not a great deal, the value of my property from 1 crore now went to 25 lakhs. So you won't exercise the contract. This is what the option buyers do. Okay, option buying in option buying, we give a premium. That is called the token advance, which I give to the land. You are just paying the premium, and if it is in favor of you, you will go and exercise it. Otherwise, you will leave it. Okay, the loss is just limited to the premium you pay to the market. I will tell a simple story how these options actually came into existence. The option trading actually can be traced in the year 332 what we say BC by a man called Thales. Actually, he was an astronomer, and according to his predictions, there will be great rain after 3 months, and this year there will be a great harvest of olive. In his calculation, he thinks this year there will be a great harvest of olive. People can't use all the olive. They will bring it to the oil press for making it oil. Okay, in that country, in that particular city, there were few oil presses. Okay, what will happen? Lot of olive is produced, it is dried, and there are only few presses in that particular city, and all these olive dried seeds will go to this olive oil press for extracting oil. Okay, they will be charging a particular amount for making it oil. So what did this Thales do? He booked all the oil press by giving a token advance. He paid a small advance and booked all the oil presses. Harvest came, it was a good harvest that year. People all used olive seeds, and for the excess they dried, and after drying, all the people came to oil press. Now, whose oil press is this? This oil press was already booked by Thales. He made a good amount of money by pre-booking all these oil mills. This was his prediction about the, what we say, upcoming season. This prediction we need in buying options. Buying options is not a childish game. Really, we need a lot of skill. Even now, seriously, I am saying, it is easy for me to sell options. For buying options, I wait for the particular and right moment, and only I take breakout trades. There are many talented option buyers in India. I will name all one by one, but they have come through a lot of struggle. Some people 10 years and 15 years they have been in the market to become a successful option buyer. Option seller, anyone can do. they have to manage the risk. It is also very, very risky. I won't say option selling is easy, but comparing option buying, option selling is easy to understand and easy to make money. Okay, there are a lot of strategies. We can apply a lot of strategies in option buying, but in option selling, but in option buying, we don't have strategies. We have to get the right moment, right entry and the right exit. That is the difficult case in option buying. Okay, even now I am practicing some strategies. I am working out on some breakout patterns. That's what I am doing now. Okay, at present, as of now, I am not a pure option buyer. It's comfortable for me to sell options, but only in few particular patterns I do option or I suggest for option buying. Okay, one more story I will be telling about option buying. This story is related to the thumbnail. Okay, it is not a clickbait thumbnail. Actually, if you think it is a clickbait thumbnail, you can think like that, but it is a real story and it is a fact. It was told by the Zerodha, founder of Zerodha, Nitin Kamath. When he was working as a sub-broker in Reliance Money, he had an experience and he wrote it as a narration. One guy, before the results of 2009, general election, bought call option, far out of the money call option. Some of his friends and some of the market news and predictions told that the Nifty is likely to go up. What he did, he don't know any other thing. Generally, he had an idea about options, just an idea about options, and people told Nifty is going to shoot up. Definitely, it is going to shoot up. And based on his ideology, what he did, he deployed the entire capital 2 lakh and bought far out of the money call options. After 2 days, the result came, Nifty shot 40% on the upper side, and 2 lakh which he deployed was converted to 2 crore. 2 crore. Okay, 2 lakh converted into 2 crore within 2 days. What do you think about it? This is the power of option buying. He don't know what to do, but he bought far after the money options. Actually, his far after the money options converted into 500% in 2 days. The story is not ending here. Within 6 months, this guy traded again and again aggressively and lost all his entire money, including his capital. This is the story of an option buyer. This does not mean every option buyer makes money and he loses in the market. Okay, the guy who converted his capital into 500% did not have any knowledge about the option buying segment. He just speculated the market. He did not have any risk management. He did not have any position sizing. He did not have any stop loss in his system. He simply went and bought far out of the money options. It became 2 crore. He don't know how he made 2 crore. Then he aggressively traded again and again without knowing what is trading and lost entire capital within 6 months. This is what I am saying. Option buying is the most dangerous area in trading. No one should enter option buying market without proper knowledge. But today we see the situation is completely different. Those who enter in stock market first come into option buying. This is the most difficult segment, but no one minds about it because we have a lot of profit screenshots in Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, daily making crores and crores of money. They will be sharing profit screenshot, recommending you to give your money. I will give you 70% profit. I will give you 60% profit. All people are provoked. Having this greed in mind, most of the people give money to someone and they trade and lose everything. They lost the entire capital and they leave the market cursing the market. They don't know the probabilities in this market. They just come in, go to option buying because options are very cheap to buy. Sometimes they get some money. If they get some money in the beginning, totally everything is lost because they won't worry about things because they don't know how they made money. They will lose everything. If you face some loss in the beginning, definitely you will be aware. Okay, this is very dangerous. We have to study a lot. This is not the method of trading. We have to study a lot. We have to work a lot. You will be more cautious. This is what happened to me. When I entered the options market, definitely I had to face some losses, even in option selling. Okay, therefore I was more conscious and I was working on how to study, how to work, and how to control our risk management. What should be the position sizing? This was the area where I was working about. More important is psychology. And I have made a lot of videos on psychology. Go and watch each and every video regarding psychology. Okay, that's very important. That is also very much related to trading. In this video, I just want to tell how powerful the option buying is and how dangerous the option buying is. There are very famous traders in India and good option buyers in India. But when you go to the story of each and every option buyer, they have been in the market for several years. Each and every trader who is a successful option buyer have at least an experience in the market for about 10 years. You read the successful story of option buyers, even 10 years they are working in this market. You can be a investor in stocks. When you come to the derivative market, you can become an option seller. It is also risky, but it is not that risky like option buying. You have a lot of strategies in option selling to control and minimize your loss. Okay, you can do strategies in the beginning. You can mix option buying and selling. I will say you again in one thing: practice a lot and be patient. Let's all try to be Thalis. I told you the first story. Let's all try to be Thalis, not to be the next guy which Nitin Kamath mentioned. Okay, therefore you should have a pure idea about option buying. Call option buying, put option buying. We have to work a lot. Before going to this option buying segment, you should be much involved and you should practice much in option selling. If you are a good option seller and if you are a successful option seller, then you can gradually come into the option buying segment. Always, I don't believe that I am a good teacher, so always go and learn a lot from all the sources. Next, I am planning to make 1 or 2 videos from where I learned what are the important books for studying trading and regarding like that. 1 or 2 videos I will be making. The books also you can follow, you can read that books also. This is a continuous process of learning. Don't think it is a serious business. Okay, you do work. If you are engaged in other work or other job, do it, be concentrated in that, and spend an half an hour daily to study something about stock market only if you are passionate. If you are not passionate, leave it. Don't think that it is a great money making machine. Options can give us a lot of money and we can become rich within a shortcut period. There is no shortcut in stock market. There is no shortcut in life. That's what I believe. Hard work will give you success. Hard work will give you a good yield. It will take time because option buying, this is the biggest and riskiest segment. The most riskiest segment in derivative market is option buying. According to NSE is saying 90% of the traders are failing and losing their entire capital. Zero, the CEO, is saying 90% of the traders lose 90% of their capital within first 90 days. This is the danger of option buying. So let's know what is option buying, but don't do option buying. That's my suggestion. You invest in stocks, then if you come into the derivative market, slowly you can go for option selling. There are a lot of strategies. We can do monthly options, we can do long-term options, we can practice in long-term options. Then little by little you can gain the skill, you can understand the pattern, you can you can get a lot of knowledge about the breakout patterns, and after getting the skill, slowly we can come to the option market. Okay, this is what I want to tell in this video. Learn more, earn more. This is John Kingston signing off. Bye.